The 2019-2021 Acura RDX comes with a remote start feature, allowing you to start your engine from a distance using the key fob. This is great for preheating or cooling your car. This feature comes standard or optional depending on the trim level. The system relies on radio frequency, RF signals, and immobilizer technology for security. The system automatically shuts down after 10 minutes for safety and fuel efficiency. Locate the remote start button on your Acura RDX key fob. It's typically marked with an engine icon or a circular arrow symbol. The button might be slightly recessed to prevent accidental activation. Make sure you know the location of this button, as all other steps will be based off of this button. Before remote starting your Acura RDX, ensure the vehicle is in park position. This is the first critical preparation step. Make sure all doors, the trunk, and the hood are completely closed and securely locked. The key fob must remain outside the vehicle during remote start. For safety, confirm that no one is near the vehicle before activating remote start. Important safety note: if the hood is open, the remote start feature will be automatically disabled. To activate remote start, press and hold the remote start button on the key fob for approximately 2 to 3 seconds. Upon successful activation, the vehicle's hazard lights will flash twice, and the horn may chirp once to confirm. You will then hear the engine start after a few seconds. If the vehicle has a manual transmission, ensure it's in neutral with the parking brake engaged before starting. The engine will run for about 10 minutes. If you need to extend this time, repeat the remote start process by pressing and holding the button again for 2 to 3 seconds during the initial 10-minute run. This will grant another 10 minutes of runtime. Note that the system may have limits on how many times the runtime can be extended. To enter and drive, approach the vehicle with the key fob on your person. Press the brake pedal, then shift the car into drive. The key fob needs to be inside the vehicle for the engine to continue running. If you don't enter the vehicle within the allotted time of 10 minutes, the engine will automatically shut off. If remote start fails, check for common problems. A low fuel level below 1/4 tank prevents the system from working. Also, a weak key fob battery using CR2032 type can cause issues. Ensure all doors, trunk, and hood are securely closed, as sensors detect open status. Finally, consult the AcuraLink app for any error codes that provide diagnostics. Safety and system limitations are critical when using remote start. The system automatically disables if the hood is open or detects any malfunctions, preventing potential hazards. Always ensure your vehicle is in a well-ventilated area, especially in enclosed spaces like garages, to prevent carbon monoxide buildup. In hybrid models, overuse of remote start can potentially drain the battery, so be mindful of how often you use this feature. The system will automatically disable remote start if it detects issues like a low battery or other malfunctions.